CryptoTalk is a quickly growing forum which pays for messages and dedicated to the cryptocurrency world, earning, trading, and mining. Site made in minimalistic design and doesn't have a huge flow of commercials and banners. You can exchange your experience on site's forum and get an answer for any question that you have from experts and specialists in trading. The main advantage that distinguishes the CryptoTalk forum from its competitors is that any registered user receives a payment of 1000 satoshi for each message. In order to start earning on the forum, you need to complete a simple registration. Enter your name, your email address, and so is the password. Read the conditions of behavior on the forum and mark it with a check mark. Then click Create My Account. You can communicate on the CryptoTalk forum in any language, but to enroll Satoshi, you need to adhere to the basic rules. The written message must watch the subject and not be spam, as well as contain at least 100 characters. Withdrawal of funds is available through the Yobit exchange. It is enough only to activate the function in the personal office of the exchange by yobit.net/ru/paybyposts. In the Your UID CryptoTalk field, you must enter the email you entered when you registered with the forum. Please note that Satoshi enrollment statistics are updated on the Yobit approximately every 4 hours. After the funds are displayed in your personal office on the stock exchange, it is enough to click on the button Credit to BTC Balance, and the funds will be transferred to your Bitcoin account balance. Then through the exchange Yobit can exchange Satoshi for any other currency or fiat money. There's no minimum amount to withdraw the balance sheet from the exchange. Write messages and get crypto, because today, it turns out, it is so easy to earn.